Ultimate salmon salad recipe, fresh and flavorful. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making a mouth-watering salmon salad that's not only super fresh, but also packed with nutrients. If you love vibrant flavors and healthy eating, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: red onion, spring onion, crisp lettuce, juicy cherry tomatoes, crunchy cucumber, sweet baby carrots, creamy avocado, grilled corn, fresh cilantro, flavorful grilled salmon, a handful of cheese, black pepper, vinegar, and lemon. First up, let's chop these beautiful veggies: red onions, spring onions, and let's slice our cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. They add the perfect crunch and color to our salad. Don't forget our baby carrots. Just cut them into bite-sized pieces for easy munching. Now, for the star of the show, our grilled salmon. Just season with some black pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. Grill until beautifully charred and cooked through. Trust me, that smoky flavor takes this salad to another level. To add sweetness, let's cut the corn off the cob. Hold it upright and gently run your knife down. Easy. Now, let's bring it all together. Toss in the chopped veggies, sliced avocado, and our fresh grilled corn. Time for the salmon. Just break it into flaky chunks and add it right in. Don't forget to sprinkle some cheese and cilantro on top. Boom! Just look at those colors. You can almost taste the freshness, right? If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious meals, and drop a comment with your favorite salad ingredients. Try this at home and tag me in your creations on social media. Happy cooking, everyone.